selling a course. Imagine tutoring for a specific topic, but instead of having to tutor someone every single time you want to make money face to face, you only have to do it once. This is basically what an online course is. You pick a topic that you know a whole lot about, you film a course teaching someone about that topic, and then you market that course to people looking to learn about whatever that topic is you picked and built an awesome course on. If you know a topic really well, then talking about the subject and your experiences on that subject are relatively easy. However, planning and formatting the course can take a very long time. I've personally made 2 different courses, each with more than 50 chapters, and both courses took me well over 200 hours to complete. But now that they're done, I don't have to spend any time managing them, and sales just roll in. Again, those are linked down in the description if you want to check them out. Now, making the course is just one thing. You also need to sell the course, and here are a few ways that you can approach just that. First off is an online platform. You could have a blog or a YouTube channel where you build a reputation within a topic, and then you make a course about that topic. And if you have a decent following, the marketing is already built in. And this is probably the best way to do it because you've already built up a ton of goodwill in giving away a massive amount of free information before you then transition to any kind of paid information. And then next we have an affiliate seller. You can offer a commission to affiliate marketers to sell your course for you. Now this of course cuts down your profit by quite a bit, but it removes the marketing legwork that you have to do on the front end in order to actually get the sales in the door. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.